In Chapter 8 we will create the part that covers the back of the escalator. We will use the line we created in the previous chapter. Select Node Delete. And add a null. Rename it in truss. Next, we will reduce the number of points. Add resample. Length 0.68. And sort the points in ascending order on the x-axis. Add sort. Point sort along vector. Add transform. Translate y -1.1 and translate z 0.08. Next we will create the basic geometry. Add poly extrude. Distance -0.62. And add another poly extrude. Distance 0.14. Select Output Back. Next we will delete the primitives that are at the top. Add group. Select Keep by Normals. Group name Up. Spread angle 45. Add delete. And select group Up. Add polybevel. Distance 0.029. Maximum normal angle 87. Now we will group the side of the geometry, after which we will change its size. Add group. Group name Scale. Select Keep by Normals. Spread angle 85. And add transform. Select Group Scale. We will lock all parameters except Translate Z. Set the size 1.7. Now we will select the geometry from the corners. There are many methods to do this. The most effective in this case is to select Edge Fillet Polygons in the Polybevel node. But let's see another method. Add measure. This node measures the area of each primitive. The smaller primitives are marked in blue and the larger in red. Let's move on to geometry spreadsheet. And we will change the range of the area attribute. Will be from 0 to 1. Which means that the largest primitive will have the value 1 and the smallest very close to 0. Add group expression. Next we will group the primitives that have the area attribute greater than 0.2. In vex expression we add the following expression, attribute area greater than 0.2. Add delete. Select group 1. And delete non-selected. Add poly extrude. Inset 0.006. Exclude output side. Add another poly extrude. Distance 0.011. Inset 0.03. Add subdivide. Change subdivide algorithm. Next we will deform the geometry. Add point jitter. Scale 0.007. Add merge node. Add attribute delete. Delete the area attribute. And align the geometry to the stairs. As bound geometry we will use steps. Add match size. In the first input we connect the truss geometry, and in the second input steps geometry. On the X and Y axis set none. Add a null and rename it to truss. Add soften normal. Soft angle, 43. Delete groups and attributes that we no longer need. Add clean. And delete all attributes except normal and UVs. And in the end, we will create UV seam groups. Return to Poly Bevel. Select Edge Fillet Polygons and rename in UV Seam 1. And delete UV Seam 2. And finally we check how it looks escalator and add a network box.